Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use labels in Trello for organization, the full 2025 guide. This is an effective way to categorize and prioritize your tasks better. First off, let's start with creating a label. Once you're in your Trello board, click on a card to open it. Then click on the Labels button on the right-hand side. Click Create a new label, choose a color, and assign a name, then click Create. The reason we do this is to give each task a visual representation, making it easier to identify related tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to applying labels. You can simply click on the card, then Labels, and select the desired label from the list. This helps us because it allows us to easily categorize our cards, leading to better organization and efficiency. Remember, you can apply multiple labels to a single card if needed. Next up, we'll learn about editing labels. This is pretty straightforward. Click the card, select Labels, hover over the label you want to alter, then click the pencil icon. You can change the name or color of the label. This is essential as it allows us to keep our labels updated and relevant to our evolving projects. Lastly, let's talk about deleting labels. This is as simple as clicking the card, selecting Labels, hovering over the label you want to remove, and clicking the trash icon. We do this when we no longer need a specific label, keeping our board clutter-free and organized. So, there you have it, a quick, easy guide to using labels in Trello for organization. Remember, the key is to use labels that make sense to you and your team, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.